What's up my people, welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. My people, right now Skate TV name a call up and swim around business. A boy where change him everything, come out and say him know the G from back in the days. You see me I say where one of him friend carry him go drill him out. You see me? And my people, the dog come and I say boy, everybody will say this and that figure name out them mother and ray. Me nah say it happen for true in my people, cause me know how enough of them youth yeah, love company, enough of them swim around yeah, love company, them would mind everybody turn batty man so that them can normalize and live them life open and full without nobody judging them and them something there. You see me? But at the end of the day that now go happen. You see me I say, and on the other hand, me no put nothing past nobody. No matter who you be, it's a possibility. You understand me I say? So right now my people, me I go share that with you know. I want to tell me what you think in the comment section. Also my people will have GX and Kiki seen. Kiki also start the gym my people. And Rosealee upon live with her like she encourage Rosealee to join the gym with her and work out and them with it. So that caused a little vibes between she and Rosealee. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna share that with you. Also my people, we have H3AD you know, we come like him make attack and it cost the whole ratty gang and other people including Blamdem fi turn down pan him you know and want name him up. You see me I say? So him come kinda try to clear the air, but it no look like say boy way him say I go make the man them ease up. You see me I say? We also have Blamdem this is in the wickedest way. You know what I mean? Also Blamdem put Zozo in a place also. You see me I say? So we have a bunch of things. We also have Shibada to my people. So we have a bunch of things. I don't know where I left out, but whatever you know hear in the intro, definitely I go see it in the video. And maybe we'll add more things as we go on. So make we kick it off for people.
A straight thing where they put it right now, sister. You go on night straight way. No man can call me to. No man will link with can call me. Because I remember saying I take program. I'm a madman. Suck your mother, sister. Batty boy. Remember saying I take program, you know, sister. Remember good, you know. Remember so much money I call me and none of them could program, you know. Because different system me link with, you know. For me system them out of the country. Oh, and for me system, a big system. I remember saying, you're a little dog, little waste man I link with nobody, you know. Then the little boy, the way I link, I feel system you're good under right now, you know. Batty boy, Cicely. I had to call up a man named Batty boy. You know, so we crash out. Don't call up people named Batty boy. And say I'll squash them off afraid. Batty boy, go suck your mother little boy. You say, well, me that diss them up and then can't defend it. If then the bad me done gone already, because I'm still there trouble people. Nobody, I don't know for you, this is a tough youth. Because if me they give much problem, I don't know do me. One can use out of that. I want to read between the line, man. If me give much problem, I nothing can do me. One to read between the line, man. Look much problem me get nothing can do me. What that show to say? We are tough youth. So if you read between the line, I know so no fuck with me. Oh, suck out to the mother. Time, man. You know go and wait, man. You know go and wait for the time, man. We don't wait for time, we do it now. And now we do it. We don't wait for time. If we can't catch up, if we Google it and pull up on you, go suck your mother. Batty boy, hold on, I'm going to name out to the mother. Stop follow up a dog. You know, call up a man name on internet. Batty boy, sister, you can suck your mother. Ratty gang, 7. Boy, remember if you buy out 16, you know. Remember, get a 7 involved in sister. Remember that you're doing, you get a 7 in a 6 and 7 thing. And that you're doing, sister. You get a 7 in a 6 and 7 thing. Just remember that. Remember that you're doing a sister. You get yourself in a 6 and 7. Remember we must have me love cloth, you know. Oh.
You come like me hex around me down.
GX run it down. Eh? GX run it down. Yeah man, me have to take down the boy sister they call up him and them name, bro. You see me mama? Sister they call up him and them name for cloth. Pass straight.
Me a come.
You know see it?
Oh my God.
Go suck your mother girl. You just thinking pussy. You think I'm a ganja yo. Go suck your mother you want to free. Somebody know want wave a Glock. You know no head tap. Jayden go suck your mother and come off of my life. Say Batty boy Jayden up on my life, people. Say be what Jayden and watch me see how me roll. If you come. You see watch ya. Watch Batty boy Jayden on my life. Watch him on my life. Come off of my life and go suck your mama. Watch Batty man Jayden on my life. Come off of my life, but dirty Batty man. Dirty, watch a look at dirty one. I defend me request.
Yo, Musa, oh yeah, Musa.
Go suck your mother and send me request.
Oh yeah, Musa.
Don't send me request and go suck your mother. Me unfollow you so you can't send me no more. Suck your mother and come off of my life. Batty man. Go look at work, drunk. You not get nothing more than Nicky. You not get nothing more sweetie more for Nicky. Go suck your mother. You're hungry now. You come friend me up with gift for Nicky. Go suck your mother. You not get no gift for Nicky. Go and call up my name. That if you're sweet, you not get for Nicky. Remember, you can't tame Batty boy. Because my mind you still listen me. Suck your mother. And if you can't friend me up. You not friend me up again. Go suck your mama. That if you're sweet, you can't get Batty boy. You done this so. I'm from dirty Batty man. That me block him from now. And if you're sweet, he pussy can't get from me. Suck your mama. Me block him. See there? Me block him. Suck your mother. Move your dirty blood. See the people, me block him. He can't come back and beg me. Go suck your mama. Dirty Batty man. Time hungry friend me up. See there? Me block him people. See there? Me block him. He can't come back. Suck your mama. Don't come back. Go suck your mama. Me block him people. Every time he hungry, he friend me up for give for Nicky. Suck your mother and come out of my life. Batty man. You look at work, drunker. Suck your mama. Dirty Batty man. Go and go cuss me for your life. Don't come, you can't cuss me in my face. Go and go click your life now and call me name so I can stay relevant. Suck your mother. Dirty Batty man. Me tap up on live with the wall on. Near more to no mama. Dirty Batty man no. Suck out to no mama. Oh. Yo, I want to give right now, money me look, I'm going to send some if people can. And they come play a match, I want some money right now. People, look, listen to me, I say people.
No, I go on to the car. Due to what go on, you know. You know, say, flow, when them again there. Flow, internet now work. Yeah.
Your mouth dirty with the all stinking dirty car. Look at your dirty mouth. Your mouth dirty, you teeth them chaka in head. Nasty girl. Where? Drunk, you stink. Nasty girl. Look at you. You look a fuck out, big man. Have dirty police, I suck your pussy. With a look at dirty infection pussy. Police not ambition. You stink. You know dirty low life. Suck out to the mama. Oh.
Your blood clot family. My side double tap guys. Everybody drop a rose. Blamdem come suck my pussy.
Nasty girl, me no want to hear what you have to say. Talk to yourself, talk to people, go talk to, go suck your mother stinking girl. Go ahead. Just chaka teeth. You teeth them chaka in head like nasty stinking girl. Go ahead. Nasty low life. Me say Jayden you bring in your family. Jayden shit up your daughter pussy. Jayden shit up your daughter pussy. Dirty Jayden. You know shoot people. My money me a looking at that shoot. Alright, me a come off a life because you not send me no money. Suck out to the mama. You don't send me money now if me not come off. Oh. No send, no not send for now, come. No send. Yo, quick cook. They with the thing right way, no man. Shoot quick cook, man. I make it in looks, man. Shoot quick cook. I want the man quick cook. Remember you're rich, you know, man. You name where your name, you know. Send me a line. You never send me a line, it my father. You know me send it back when I make piece of money. Yeah, man, quick cook. Go on, quick cook. Same way some dog. Shoot my father. You know I run the place. Quick cook, big bomb buckler, people no follow up quick cook. Them man follow dog. I mean I do the follow dog. Quick cook, big up your badness. Remember you drag in my friend. You have beer money, I make our business, I don't know what you have. You rich, quick cook, send some gift. And you rich. Cause suck your mother. Me tell you me rich, me a capper. Me rich when me ready and me broke when me ready.
Alright, my people. Tell me what you think in the comment section, because boy, if everybody take Blamdem serious, him don't have one friend on TikTok. You see me? Because everybody will come across get disrespect. See, Zozo, no, Annie. You see me? I say, who next? You see me? I don't know. Say, Blamdem still in our people. He link with Nicki Minaj and Skeng them, and he's a man who love cuss. So you know for sure say Swiftly gonna make the mistake and say some things and rub Skeng the wrong way. So me I gonna make you hear the judgment with people. So make you watch some more.
Ananas. Me broke now. Shoot. Quick cook. Me bumper ass. You see me I want a quick cook. Look where you do quick cook. Look where you make it dirty girl come shoot. Quick cook. Somebody Japa gloves. Japa gloves people. Japa gloves. Japa gloves. Japa gloves people. Japa gloves. You know say me lose me I come off alive. Me I show you say me a madman. You know me lose me I come off alive youth. Cause I'm not too wicked youth. Me I come off alive. Quick cook. Japa gloves. Somebody Japa gloves. Somebody Japa gloves people. Shoot. Now see girl you now win a match. Move your blood clot. Just look at broke people. You now win. People Japa gloves. Somebody Japa gloves people. Don't make me lose. Bumper ass. Somebody Japa gloves people, shoot. Quick cook, you can't do this quick cook. Mama say your name, you know. 2 interstellar pass, one lion, send a lion, one lion good. 7 up me people, yeah man, you know 7 we say. Paper, one lion quick cook, one lion pass that quick cook.
Put him down, team.
You now win nasty girl, go ahead, you look at the last.
Move your blood clot and go win long time. Win.
Yo, quick cook, bad man, quick cook, you can't make it thing look so bro. Quick cook, you really make it thing look so bad. Don't make it
shoot him blood clot.
Quick cook, don't make it thing look so shaky, father. Remember we know you think no normal, no quick cook. Somebody do something to me, help out quick cook people, as me I come off. You can't make me thing look so shaky, because me I talk big and on the flap me now. Look how me they talk big and me look like a pussy. Because me they talk big a while ago and now me make them shoot me down. Me look like a clown there so now. So now if you do it right, man, me look big. Do it right, people, man, do it right. Shoot me team. Me rascal, they're not more than God that mama bomb buckler people. We can't do this now. When I 15 bills give them. Shoot, snipe, quick cook, quick cook. Snipe me team.
It's a madman.
You just know say me a madman. You can't, you bet you can't do it. Go suck your mother dirty girl. You bet you can't do it again. Do it again if you name your name. Do it again, dirty whore. Or do it again, dirty whore. Fuck atan. Do it again, fuck atan. Fucky. Fuck like a dog. Fuck for Jamaica. Fuck for Hans family. Fuck for world. Fuck atan. Fuck for Hans family. Do it again, dirty whore. Or do it again, whore. Fuck atan. Fucky. Fuck. Dirty whore. Do it again, nasty. Fuck nation. Fuck for Jamaica. Fuck for everywhere. Fuck for everywhere you go. Fuck for car, fuck for rent, fuck for live, fuck for everything. Sell pussy, make it care data them and them go sell. Yeah, data them sell. You hold on a nasty, with nasty family. You sell the data, you sell a liquor data. CDA come fee because you have the data sell pussy. You type of data for you give sell pussy. Dirty now, Hans dirty family, come. Hans family, dirty family. Hans family, a worse family youth. So I want a boy run up on me and me piece of matic come here so come on up with somebody you know. So I want a boy run up man because I see someone now coming something but me just want to run up man and know me there you know. No pull up man because we like the action you know. We want a nice secret place so we can see who can shoot better. Yeah man, so I make we work out man because we shoot out man and time ready man. I drop the location. Yeah man, remember say we live how long now you know. So we want to play now man. Send out the play man, send out the John.
Him chat too blood clot much. Him jump company yasa come for me. Him chat too much. I know we win a game.
Chaka tea, girl now win. You say you win me say no drunk. Nah see girl win no. Win and beat me. Dirty war. Any player play man. Any player play. Any player play. Everybody send a rose. Rursker man. 1 presidential click, 7 to the world. Everybody send a rose. Girl, you know, we don't want to know, because Crick Cook still there, you know, how much, Ming there, how much top people. Oh. You if you send people, you can't make the people listen to me. Tap watch your girl score. Me tell you, when me say to you, tap watch her score, bro. No shoot, bro. Don't watch her score, because if you watch her score, she gonna win. Use the double me team. Shoot pan the double me team. Everybody shoot pan the double. Everybody shoot pan the double now. Everybody shoot pan the double now. Use the double me team. 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 Don't watch her score me team. When you shoot. Shoot my team. Shoot my team. Shoot my team now. Shoot my team. Use the double. Everybody shoot pan the double. Everybody shoot pan the double now. Use the double my team. Don't watch she go snipe. Don't watch her score my team. Shoot it. We're not gonna make you guys snipe on the paper. She go snipe on the last minute. She go snipe on the last minute. Shoot. And me not play no more you. Me I come go my bed. Because I'm not sick, my blood clot tomorrow. People crick cook broke and gone. People crick cook broke and gone. But in turn out the money from Batty man pops. So now my money like a suck your mama. Yeah. Hey girl go suck your mother, you win. Hey girl go suck your mother, boy, you win. Hey girl go suck out your mother. Nasty stinking girl, go suck your mother.
My side, shoot shots.
Go suck your mother, dirty pussy girl. I'm a talk fuck, hey girl, go suck your mother too. Suck your mother. Boy, they win, go suck your mother. You not make no money if me not make none. Go suck your mother, me a come off of this. If me not make no money, you not make none neither. Me a come off. Cause me make you people my shoot because they don't like me. Go suck your mother. If me not make no money, you not make none. Me a come off. Go suck your mama. Nasty girl, cause so jayden do me. Me can't make no money, you not make none neither. Go suck your mama. And I thought they do me too. I saw all of them do me. If me can't make no money, you can't make no money neither. Go suck out to no mother. Cause me there not make no money. Well, me go back over there. Dirty girl, if me not make no money, you can't make no money either. Go suck your mama. Go suck your mother, quick cook. You gas pops, you give all your money, you can't send man plane. Go suck your mother with a plane, quick cook. Me go and follow your batty boy. Go suck your mother with a plane. Plane and man, batty boy. Come and send man plane. Go suck your mother with that. Come make man, go suck your mother with a plane. Oh, plane and man, batty boy. Come and send man plane. And me. Suck your mother with a plane. I mean, maybe it's about that thing could have send lion from me not winning, go suck him. Oh. Suck your mother with a plane. Dirty batty man. Come and send man plane and gone. Can you send man bad man plane? Dirty boy. Can bad man you can send plane? Eh? Bad man they send plane. Go suck your mother with that. Oh. Suck your mother with a plane. Me no just know say me ungrateful.
How people make how people really them and make Blamdem tear.
Yeah, girl, go suck your mother thinking mouth, girl. You must say you go suck Jake's thinking cock. Jake's when I feel like bait. Jake's pushing cock in a rosealee thinking pussy. And push it back in a yours. You need to see your pussy dirty up. Cause shit, rosealee jazz them have rosealee jazz have rosealee panty have rat shit tonight. Rosealee panty have rat shit tonight. And it infect him pussy. Can you go put on the panty with the shit up in there and the pussy get infected and Jake's pushing cock in there and Jake's pushing a your pussy in your mouth. So you're infected too. Cause suck your mother girl. Cause remember saying rosealee pussy in jazz. Remember say I in panty jar heap a rat shit them the day no. And from the rat shit them in a panty jar eventually go there up in a pussy. Cause rat them crawl pan in pussy and he get leptospiros in. And he put you up in your pussy. And Jake's pushing cock in your pussy. And he pushing cock in a rose and he go up like you suck your mama girl. You look a dirty pussy girl. Go ahead. Your pussy infected. You suck your mother girl. Me no want you way off say. I'm a tough up. Me not playing up with another because me not make no money. Suck. Come off of this dirty girl. Hold on, go suck out. I'm going to come off of life because I'm not hungry now. Remember, say me have my money now. Oh. I'm not hungry, go suck on the mother. Oh, I come off of life. Hold on, go suck on the mother too. Because they not send me now. If Nicki Minaj now, they have to send me lion, me not come by here. I'm not hungry, go suck out to the mother. You see, no see me I live. Go suck out to the mother. Hold on, go suck on the mother too. I come off of life. Everybody go suck their mother. Hold on, go suck out to the mother. Everybody go suck out their mother. Me say so. Suck out to the mother. Pussy. Do on ya, hold on, no, batty boy, go suck out to the mother. Batty boy, hold on, go suck out to the mother. Go suck your mother, do on ya for free. Go suck your mother, batty boy. Remember, say my friend them up and they want murder you, no batty boy, don't have West, you know. Up I place, so I tell her where they are. My friend them, you know, they want murder, you know, Batty boy. And I'm going to and them a scammer too, you know. I can't, they shan't give me money where they are, me murder your Batty boy and come you know. Go suck your mother, you call up, skeng me and Batty boy to sleep. Go suck your mother, doing ya.
Alright, my people, so let me know what you think in the comment section. I don't talk too much in the rest of the video, so I'm going to run through it, you know what I mean? So tell me what you think and make you watch some more.
Go suck your mother, Ramesh, and fuck your dirty Batty man. And take come America, me a lick a shot in your face, because you're there in a lane, and we can't come in a lane for come kill you. You're there a town right now, best time to kill you, because you're there, you're there a town. Make we see I know here, man. Make my friend them murder you. Go suck your mother doing it. Come on from my screen too. Suck your mother, Batty boy. Come on from my screen. Suck your mother doing it. Hold on, Sicily. And Ramesh, fuck you, hold on. Suck your mother, Sicily. Batty boy, my friend them, boy, a Batty boy, and I'm a little lane in here, say. See the people, I must send me don't know him. Me not play with them boy, because them boy don't rate me. Me name bust they rate me. And them when me name bust they rate me. So me not play match with him.
Oh, see me America. Batty boy not see me in a club of foreign and can't do nothing. I feel I'm more shaky. Talk to who? You can't give me no chat of foreign pussy. You name out Nicki Minaj, Batty old, dirty Batty man. Bright and faced, you know. But me say, now you send me request and call me a cuss all over. Me send back request to tell you, go nyam out your mama pussy. You sleep on floor and broke. A little maga unprivileged. Come like you're dead from syphilis or sitting. Can't give nobody no chat. Dirty Batty man. Clean Nicki Minaj toilet. You can't give nobody no chat as a pussy. You nyam Batty like a dog. But see me a foreign. See who else a foreign. Boy, the boy see me a foreign in a ice cream Sunday and come in a club and have to come heal me. The boy have to come heal me. Me see and heal you. Pussy me see and heal every day channel man. And slap a shot in your face out a bumbo clad ice cream Sunday gate. But see what do nothing a foreign. Punk. Big waist man. Suck your mother, you shaky. A little man, a one box with a shot Blamdem, a little man, a little dirty frozy boy. Can't give man no chat. One bag of man a hold on by your shoulder so I carry you through blood clot crowd. And he done tell me say I be a little punk them there. Boy, they try not in America, man, they slap a shot in the head. I true we not go if you get no trouble. I true me not got bumbo cloud Florida if you get no trouble. Dirty Batty man.
Suck your mother, hold on, I come off alive, hold on, I go dead. People, look how I come off of this now, hold on, I go suck your man. Look at this a Batty man, I'm on the me live, one you know. They watch me, you know, tell me now, you know. Look at this a Batty boy, me live, one you know, watch for him. Suck pussy Jayden. Him on the me live, one you know. They watch me, you know. See the Batty boy there in the youth, one you know, him on the me live, they watch me, you know. And him a Batty man, you know. Come off of me live and go suck your mother Jayden. Suck your mama Jayden and come off of me live. Dirty Batty man. Come on from my life and go suck your mama. Don't come by yourself, kind of harbor yourself. You're a Batty man. No Batty man over yourself. We are bad man over yourself. Everybody over yourself are criminal. So don't come up, we know do it fuckery. Nyam out to the mama. People, look come on, come on for life. Come on from my life, Jayden, and go suck your mother and go somewhere else. If I'm live, I watch me like you feel like me fuck man. Suck your mother, Jayden. And suck your mother Sicily, dirty Batty man Sicily. Anytime you see you Sicily, we work out man. Batty boy Sicily, anytime you see you, we work you man. Don't worry yourself. Oh my God, I miss you. You miss me? You just see H3AD up your name, you can't come off of my life. I don't want you to miss. Because we're like for X. So if you rate me, you can't rate her log and rate me. Not gonna work. Because we're like for dead. Oh. You have to go pick a rate, you can't rate it two of it. You have to go pick one rate, you can't rate her log and rate me. I don't want your ratings. Batty boy doing ya. And send a request and I just send him. I don't want to screenshot me. People listen me and say I come off alive, you know, because I have to move from here, you know, because I don't know who hear me as up on live and they come. So look more people, we have come off alive. Because we can't dead for see them laugh off of we, you know. Too much people laugh if me dead. H3AD, King Donia, Squash, Batty Blamdem. Much people laugh if me dead. And the girl where we there where call up my name. Too much people laugh if me dead. Me can't, me not depend on that. Look more people. Me link on if I know. Me now me couldn't make me turn so long. Somebody must hear me. Pan live and me I move. Look more people. Cause me can't dead. Make nobody laugh off of me. Look more people. Look more. Me I come off a live. Cause me there so too long. Suck out and
too much pill on I take, but bro, bro, have no intelligence, bro, dunce. Bro, we are play one game called the hot seat. The hot seat. Listen, bro, we are play a game called the hot seat. See the fucking screen recorder, bro. Brother, see the screen recorder. We are play one game called the hot seat, bro. Come on, I want to feel like, say, bro, nobody afraid of owning, bro. You know why me I do this, bro? Because me rate King, bro. And for what King do for me, me don't want the man feel like, say, yo, Swiss a pussy. Nobody feel like, say, I own me I do it for her, who run him. Listen with intelligence, bro, and stop make people tell me things, you know, the fucking ears. All rascal, Valiant, me soon at this. Me never know now Valiant have nothing, bro. Child, listen to the screen record now. Listen to the screen record. Listen to the screen record. They're not gonna show them already. Them fall off. Yeah, 5 hours. No, we are listen to the screen record. My God. Shot. We are playing a game. We are playing a game called Hot Seat, right? We are play one game called Hot Seat. Go suck your mother street whatever your name. I'll move your one buck that. We are play one game called Hot Seat, chat. We are play one game called Hot Seat. I just talk to Jiggedy on the phone. Jiggedy and me and so, bro. You don't know that. Jiggedy and me and so. Jiggedy and me and so. How the fuck me for this king, bro? Bro, King come on my party. Come perform in a rain. Without no money, bro. No fucking money. Chat, we are playing a game called Hot Seat. Here the game play. Come, bro, Mr. Blam, I don't know if them man are too dark and them man are too bad. I don't know what, bro. I don't know Spanish tone too mad. Here the game, bro. Mr. Jiggedy, the game called Hot Seat. You see, if you did in the game, Jiggedy, if you did come on the Twitch stream, you know what the question I would ask, Jiggedy? Which 5 artists where you produce or where you select for? You ever go on show and the crowd now move? You call the hot seat. You have put the dog them, you ever put the person where you ask question in the hot seat, so it's complicated for what? The question where you go ask him. Listen out on ears. Mr. to the man, say, bro, which 5 artists were in your age group where you think fall off, where you think them song are trash, where you think them song, they're not getting no bookings. Mr. T-Dog said, Mali Dad, Armani, Skeng, 450, Pablo YG. Oh, me this Skeng, by putting Skeng name in our hot seat. That's why we put Skeng name in our hot seat, because Skeng a hot artist, bro. That's how we put 450. That's how we put Mali Dad, that's how we put Armani. That's how we put Pablo YG. Me bumbo clad. Bro, we have to listen with understanding, bro. We have to listen with understanding. If we don't know one game, ask question, bro. Before we get up and disrespect people, bro. Bro, so alright. So I wanna select on this me. Now gonna two dons. I wanna select on this me. My ask Valiant selector said, which 5 selector you think are the worst selector? Shuckle bus and me and so. Boom boom rip. Me don't know boom boom rip. Anytime boom boom see me in a party, boom boom ever big me up. Banka me like so, me can't tell you that. DJ Banka me like so. Bishop Escobar rate me. What the fuck when I talk about? Me say yo, which 5 selector you think are the worst selector? Me say Banka. Me say Shuckle Bus. Me say Escobar. Me say Boom Boom. Who else me say, chat? Who else me say? Who else me say? Me call Shuckle Bus, me call Boom Boom. Yeah, me call Shuckle Bus, me call Boom Boom, me call Chromatic. The game called a hot seat, bro. You have to put it, you have to call DJ name I call. You have to put the people name. You have me put the people them name in it where you know so yo. Them current, them hot. So the person where you ask the fucking question, bro, them have to think twice. Let's see me, they go bring them down. Cool. Valley and look for me and say, yo, if you're a rebel, if you never know rebel, which TikToker you da fuck? I'm here for just switch it and just say, yo, Rose, this and that, quick and fast. Otto, if you never there with your woman, which 5 TikTok dog, one does need it dog, one have to listen that before one jump and disrespect people, bro. We have to listen with intelligence, bro. We have to listen that before one jump and disrespect people, bro. The game called a H3AD, bro. When you name 5 artists, bro. So when you name the 5 artists, the person where you ask the question, bro, them have to know who them a pick. 450 no fall off, bro. Skeng no fall off. All of Skeng now sing 10 songs today, bro. Them have a book Skeng because Skeng are the best performing artist as young youth. Pablo YG no fall off. Malidan no fall off. Armani no fall off. But we have to put them in a hit called Valiant Artists. If a Kartel, we don't ask Kartel say, which man we ever clash will get the best clash? Common sense, bro. Listen before when you get up and disrespect people, bro. Listen, bro, and stop act like when I done said, bro. Listen. The game called a H3AD. Punga there. We ask Punga in a AMP, which one of your friend them that kill? Which one of your friend them? Which one of your friend them that throw out a rascal? Your group. They're gonna listen dog and stop act like when I hear that I get up and tell people about their mother, bro. And why I come live, come to this dog, because I want to really listen, bro. Me ask Punga who are the best dressed. Listen out on the ears, bro, before you get up and make people telling the things, bro. Why am I doing this like I throw my Rex King, bro? Me I telling you, bro. I mean, I want to get in the man head and make the man feel like say, oh, me I diss him. It's a question. Alright, I want to produce on this way. This me. Me say to Rascal, me say to Valiant say, which 5 producer you think are the worst? Which 5 producer the man artist you have asked them question there for story up the live. And that the live one mix up them one know. Which 5 artists, which 5 producer you think are the worst? Russian, DJ Mac, me didn't remember the Rascal producer them. I wanna alone take it up to blood clot. Una alone. Can't do down, bro. Listen with intelligence, bro. Listen with intelligence. A game called a H3AD. Wouldn't have no sense, bro. Mine would never have done. No. Child days. When am I get about to yo, but suck your mother. Valiant a dead boy. Valiant a dead boy. Valiant a dead boy. This and that. Ray. Alright, so only never see the screen maker when we say yo. When Valiant say yo. Big up the rest of the 3 artists them. The rest of the 3 artists them are do good for Jamaica. Me say yo, only never scream me card and see what me say. Big up all of the artists them will give me strength. Big up Skeng, big up Valiant, big up Chronic Club. Only never see that. Cause I see one no one see, bro. The man them run Skeng who just never read me from morning. Because me can't this Skeng, cause Skeng no this me. So me have this. Me have to say uno. We never read me from morning. Cause the hungry man will text me. A rascal, Jiggity text me and say, bro, what go on? I explain to Jiggity. Jiggity say, bro, I understand what you say, I understand the game. Hungry man. You see, if a man jump up and quick for this, them narrate you. Any man when you see jump up and quick and for click live and this, them narrate you. And bro, wouldn't have to rate me, bro. Because I do this for Uno. I do this for the artist. If the dog want to feel a type of way, I hold him one from this, him hold him one, and I hold him one. Simple. But next time, before these people, youth, when you listen with intelligent, ask question if you don't know. Stop act like when you're an idiot. Again, the game called H3AD. When you call out 5 person name, that don't mean the person fall off. You have to put the person where you ask the question. In the position, if you don't know what he say, if Skeng in there, better ask Skeng the same question. Skeng, which 5 artists you think fall off? Valiant, Armani. You know who me that say? Me that put a squash name me that put in there. Just to story the media. Just to story the media, bro. A squash name me that put in there, bro. Just to story the media. It's a game, bro. It call a hot seat. So you know have to know who for name you call.
Well, my people, wanna tell me what you think in the comment section. Swiftly, you have to know say artists, they have a thing called ego. And most of them ego very big. Especially the people them around them, I go boost them ego. You know what I mean? And I go to them with things like this, you know what I mean? I make it look a way, so them not a choice than for me be this or what. And not even them, I got this around, the man them around them, I got this here for them. So you have to know that even you guys as TikTokers have a huge ego. You see me I say, I wanna flip feel least something for the time. So people, tell me what you think.
Because if you don't know who for name you call, are you the media go bring them, just like what I go on now. Armani, Malidan, and Skeng, and Valiant. You see what you do? Because when do him go pick two man name, say the man name a trash and the man name fall off. And you see what you do? So when you play that game there, bro, you call the hot seat, you have to know anything when them ask you, bro, a corruption question. When you have woman, ask the woman if them never play hot seat when them they at school. Which man you usually fuck? Which man is your best man? You usually fuck Swissley? You usually fuck Kartel? You usually fuck Movado? Which one of your man them get the best fuck? Which one of the man them, bro, it's a game, bro. Stop acting like you not done said, bro. Literally, bro, if you not have woman, ask the fucking woman, babes, what is hot seat? She go tell them, you usually play it at school. Let me ask question like, corrupt, who was your best ex? Dog, bro, come like on a slow, bro. A simple game, bro. You never come and say the man fall off, me put Skeng in it because the dog is a big artist. Me put 450 in it because the dog hot. 450 them get show right through. Skeng them get show right through. Profam, Pablo, Malidan, Armani. The question of hard, bro. So the person where you give the question for answer, them have to know that the blood clot. What me I go say now? What me I go do? Intelligence, bro. Before these people, bro, ask fucking question, brother. Before you jump up, ask question, bro. Me never this king, bro. Never. Jiggy can't tell you that, bro. Never, bro. My chat can't tell you that. Never. Everybody who know teamless know that. So me never this king, bro. From before if this king come out party, bro, me I tell people this king I'm an artist, bro. Never, bro. Never. I'm never gonna come like straight to my bed, me I go, bro. I'm saying, no, me come and clear this thing here. Before only run the man, get in the man head and make you look like say Ray. Never, bro. When I ask question, bro, but me need to apologize for me not need that, bro. Cause I want to don't jump up and tell me about my mother. You don't ask me, yo Swiss, what kind of thing that you this the DJ? What kind of thing that, bro? You have to put him in there. You have to put Skeng in there. If it were Rascal Kartel, we have to ask Kartel. Which 5 big artists you think right now get a show? Corruption, because it's sell the media. Corruption. You have to ask, just like if Jayfrey, right now Jayfrey interview blood clot Valiant reselling me. No, me ask him say, how you feel about the Rascal suck your mother? What the Rascal name? What them name, chat? What them name? The Fix. You know the Fix was Rascal Valiant. Let me ask him the same question. My brother ask him about the hot seat, because we do the hot seat up on Twitch. But let me ask him, say, how you feel so you're an Armani in a deal? How you feel this man and this man in a deal? Because they want to stir up the media, they want to get views. Simple thing, bro. And it done this, brother.
Put up a hand, a show of hand who never remember what I was talking about. And be honest before God and all man. And I mean that talk about for true Jesus Savior. I mean done you know. I'm ready for chastise the whole I wanna nastiness from the program. My wrong and blow out strong. My apology to the whole I wanna. But make me go over now to Rosealee, yeah, because I'm wrong and strong. Anyways now, somebody said and some gunman come to the front of the line, me hear dirty to a wash. you know, and the person proceed to talk about. He was the cause why CDA come take up the picnic them, but yet still him in the same house I practice over Carl, Shanta and Barbar. And you know, it's a valid point that the lady made, and you know, it is so significant to my cranium when it reached, in the sense that if we ever look at how life manipulates us, you see how evil stay? You see how evil? No, look at it, and it's just the truth. Look at it. You see, then on the internet and you sell out your kids in order for fame. And this is the truth, you know. But you see, the reason why rosealee can always be and some gunman can always be and all of this, because of the careless people, them like Summer Uno, we tune into them and make them feel as if they have a platform which they don't even know how to conduct or control a career. You see, Uno the set a that support all of these things. You know how traumatized your kids are. You don't even know, but yet still that took out restraining order on an individual who are traumatized their child, not realizing that your very existence that traumatize your own picnic. When the person said it, I said this is a valid point, you know, because look at it. Everything, every single thing we mock every single thing, like we want to make a content out of a serious situation. And it's just the truth, because you took the time out for going on a rosealee, for go jeer the kids that are traumatized based on them upbringing. Based on their upbringing, you choose to traumatize the children, all because of the name of fame and popularity. And some gunman woman never grow him, you know. Remember say, and some gunman did a walk a so good and a collect khaki. So fear a woman never grow him. I mean, you see him going to rosealee with one only for people in a vehicle with unmarked, with no license plate. I saw me here.
There is a way out. So maybe if you ask me if I have man, now that makes sense.
I never ask if you have man, I ask if it's... When you say I'm man, you put as a man. Is it just like a...
Yeah, my mother replied that man.
Okay, I'm just nothing.
Oh, you feel that way about it?
This is the moderator, right? This is the moderator?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, moderator, I'm thinking it's a man. Watch Tyrese.
So, to everybody else here, Shelly, watch lifestyle.
What are everybody what?
What everybody we have over there, the one in your shooter them, is a man here for shooters them. Moderator.
But I'm not seeing a woman that shoot for me. I'm concerned with Lion Interstellar or something.
Fair enough.
So all you
have gloves and lightning.
so all you the on phone with
that girl.
Barney. You not hear me?
Barbz, Junet. Big up.
Oh, so you're the on phone with Van. Yeah, you're the on phone with Van. They flirt every day and I smile and I give everybody same treatment. too much money.
Listen, money. How the fuck them people? How can I go on over your channel?
$250 a send Vani.
Eh?
$250 a send Vani.
What's that Vani how much?
$250.
Alright, my people, so tell me what you think in the comment section, because all money I send go give, who money I send go give, and rare. If GX send money go give Ivany, he is a delusional person. You see me I say? And it looked to me like, say, oh, Kiki and GX are try hard, like, you know what I mean, them a try too hard, them now make the thing flow naturally certain way. Although maybe GX himself is not much of an actor, you see me, you see, because he look like say he's a street youth certain way, so, you know what I mean, him can't do too much of the acting certain way, you see me, so I tell me how I feel about a series, yeah, because me see somebody I say, yo, nothing now go on feed. But people are entertained by it because people are watch maybe it not big like Rosealee and Hakim, but you know what I mean, it a go on. Is it? Eventually if GX just stay around, he might get familiar with everything and a pro like everybody else same way. So let me know what I think my people may go watch some more.
That's right. How the blows us get $250?
Yes, man, so in your name.
No, because of your fucking relationship over there.
So yes, man.
Get 250 what? Jamaica now? When we get 250 years old, fam.
You were shooting for her this morning, eh?
Let's shoot too much that what I give for Vybz this morning. Let's shoot too much that what I give for Vybz.
What you want, Jigs? What you want?
What do you mean, man? I won't pay much today.
Not like, what you want? Which other woman do you want?
I'm not one of them using every day, you know. They got pay chat, yeah?
What do you mean, like embarrassment?
What embarrassment?
Go leg off a chat.
Yeah, brother, yeah, it's the comment section.
Which comment section?
You can read it. Everything you read it, you see it.
Who they read out?
Still I read, see it. See the team will get in their head like a bag of weed. Four-person flowers, chat. Flowers, girls.
Everybody send a rose, guys. Guys, everybody send a rose. Thank you, Princess. Thank you, Ricardo. Thanks, everybody. Guys, use it triple. Use it triple.
Is that triple chat?
Only love can hurt like
That
this.
triple team, we complete the gift gallery.
Guys, use it triple, please.
We complete the gift gallery. And Monday to chat it start over back. Unit. In a TikTok universe, come with the gift gallery.
Guys, use it triple.
Chat, show up on the triple chat, show. Team, show for the triple. Kiki. Kiki. Good.
Where did I put? I want to put, you know. Why not? Why? Partner, take up rice, good. Thanks. You know, take up what I eating, Kiki. Fried rice, sweet and sour chicken. Make you sit in them drop out, Jama. She's not trying to lose where she's trying to play and okay, we can eat it. Remember, say no.
Alright, my people, so let me know what you think in the comment section. Watch a bit more and then we're gonna move on to the next.
Lose me, I try lose, you know, bill me, I try bill. I bill me, I bill, and I lose me, I lose. Top man, what happened? After dinner, we are going to have a glass of wine, barefoot. Sweet wine, sweet red blend, 1 glass of wine. Then drink it, have a smoke belch next me go bed. Back to the people them now. So I never be first because I not talk for a morning. I say first meal, God bless me if me I tell lie. I don't eat nothing from morning. I first this. No. I have one time when I can eat and one time when I can't eat. Sometimes I don't have the appetite to eat nothing at all, so I'm hungry, but I'm full get to my bed. Maybe when I bed, I eat Popeyes, I don't like it. Popeyes not taste good. The only thing Popeyes did have, and they said they tap do it something name eat them wings what they did have the only barbecue. I just show a girl they want orange juice and they say they never drink orange juice. I can't believe it. Oh, what was your first session? Boy, a lot of laughter, embarrassing moment. The people them cheer me, but them bring me down there. So my maga, my lean, my shape bottom. The shoes come like when them granny I got market back in the days. The ties big and baggy no folk. But I saw life going on. Negative and positive, and just have to Then say me shape bad and me lean. And then say country come to town. Yeah, you look how you see there. And like me I tell. I know what me fi do with the info. Me show, hey, you see, me tell you. You see best part I trollers. You see people that give problem in a life boring. Trollers them, you need trolling in a life. Yeah man, you need people, your haters not, me tell you something. You see who show bad energy, they don't mean nothing at all. Your haters them love you, but then just don't know if you say baby I love you. You inspire me, so then come in on bad energy. You see who we call friends. And the people they want to show a good face, be careful of them. You hear? Brother go tell me any my business that them I wicked. Oh, hate you never mean no harm in a life. Cause when people hate you, there is a potential in you. And I hate make you strive to do better in a life, to prove them wrong. But you see what you call friends, and them I wickedest blood clot them. Oh yeah. Our friends are enemy, our enemies are friend. So, now watch how they show you about the energy. Because one thing I'm learning in life about my spiritual journey, some people come in your life and they come with hate to you, but I not hate because I'm talking about some role. Sometimes in our life, some people come in your life, they can't act like you and them a friend. I don't know if you ever book up on people. Sometimes you go see one girl and when she there was some set of people, they laugh after you and be a certain way. But if they see a one card, they might go pinch you and tell you something. And that's how God makes some people. Sometimes some people if you appear in your life as the enemy, for they can go over some place, get some information and come back and tell you. So me and some people in my life where if they see me on road, they not go heal me, they not gonna know chattings with me, and they would have sit down and chat me with you. But you see if they book me one place, them are gonna tell me everything, then just can't be seen with me. So life gonna everybody come in your life can be seen with you, and that's something I learn about life. Curve people eat. No worry yourself. So not all friends can be shown publicly, remember that. Not all friends can be shown publicly, remember that. Sometimes you got some people in your life where you're them close, but you know, just cook there. Why am I not like to them there now? I feel one little illness, frustration that come down for me. I sleep and can't sleep. I just have to get up and go bathe and walk. I said, my dear, look how far I come. I can't believe so Rosalie blocked me. Fine, GX. We are getting to know each other no pum pum time. Anytime pum pum around a little butterfly feelings go gone, we are getting to know each other and love and go on with the things them. If I go grind him now, I sure I go stop too quick. Cause from you give man pum pum everything done, you know. I catch a little butterfly feelings. Guys, me say, me I seen for sure, you know. Me never know say so AI powerful. I'ma post a video, but it come like couldn't know watch it to the end. Can I find a video? And if you go watch a video, you don't get enough views.
Everybody, I swear, they would have
Watch out.
But sometimes the people who walk out on you are just clear.
Look what the money I do. Look. Let me start over. Look how man do. it.
Peace. For peace. Lose Rosalie, he lost confusion, stress,
When I see
sleepless
good,
nights. And what you find?
when I see good,
New joy, new light. Sometimes heartbreak is the universe we are saying. You don't learn that lesson.
this lesson for
What it is.
Alright, my people, me not talk much. Let me know what you think in the comment section and make you watch some more.
Bumbo.
The content and put it up. I see me I say Angel come. They are bad youth. You know in the street, bro. You know you have to approach with caution in the street, brother. Tell you that. I'm gonna shoot me now shoot about this man, no TikToker. No boy, brother. Brother, your name call upon Batty, you're Batty man. You're over there, so bro. You're over your Batty cabana. You're over your Batty cabana youth. A transmission come calling him. Look about the call me name youth. Never hear Zoom him call upon Batty over here youth. And a H3AD me there over here saying reputation clean in the only thing when I say mother love. Mother love. Zuma saying back in this half my mother and Shashavo. Everybody know I like that. You can't come and say Zuma suck pussy, Zuma fuck party, no time. When you say Zuma hungry, you have to hungry for eat. When you say Zuma broke and hungry, you have to hungry for eat. I have to broke for hustle again. 7 times fall, many times rise, man. I used to talk about faith and strong mind. A faith and Batty climb I go to 6. You're Batty boy. You're Batty boy. From Batty man I mix up a name, you're Batty man. Batty man associate with Batty man. Batty man know Batty man. Suck your mother. And the last time I keep my life for you. I now clip on my life here again 6K TV. I now clip on my life here again because I'm not here and chatting to you because you're Batty man, you're way over there so. You're chuck down at the sea. I now clip no more life for you. You're gone at the aquarium. Yeah, man. Bro, I'm bad youth. My past ugly youth. A fair page, man. I should be you in the goalie fair page. Let's suck your mother. And make sure me should be you in the goalie. Since you're not a talent, you're not a career, you're not a goals, you're not a genius, and fall back up. That's like a fuck Batty. Suck your more brother again, Batty boy. Come and tell about me to suck my mother. Go chuck to your big pussy, suck cocky, short face, number 6. Go run the neck up in your mother. And remember, know where you're pan. I'm going to suck your mother, boy. You can't dirty and stink like you. I'm know where you're pan 6K TV. I mean, Fish K TV. Sorry. Why did I say 6? You can't show no violence to me, dog. None. 6, you can't show no violence to me, bro. You're a Batty boy. You can't show no violence to me, dog.
See, I don't a man like, but me can't do certain things on the media. The blood clot does get kind. Cause me know say me have a youth, and me youth I go grow up big, and me youth probably a come on TikTok, and me youth I go type in 6K TV near my father when he young. And you know, I go see some local thing on the media. Me can't do it, bro. Me can't do it. Go suck out your mama Zoma. Pop back your back. Remember say you can't talk say you watch your mother fuck and you back your fist, you know. Go suck your mama Zoma. You're smarty. Name out your mama. Low life hungry belly. Go lick out your mother. Pussy thing gonna can blood clot does spread allegation for me for blood clot. Go suck no mother. No one can play my blood clot street credit. Talk out your woman's home, you smelly. You want to see pussy all over there too. Me say they just want something to run with. When you come on to 6. And you can't get nothing to run with. Chat, you know, me not fuck around. The transmission them, you know he's a man. You tell some Italian over there boost up the transmission and so 6 at jacket down and so. And me just there and laugh. No, me not too follow up the transmission them. No follow them up. Me not argue with them, me just load them, make them stay over for the world. Cause you see, you can't argue with transmission and win. Never. You're mad. Yeah, man, I got Thailand. That was really focus on. Me had Kitty She. Kitty She bring down to. Every one of them, yeah. You think afraid of them over here? Kitty and you me see over there for light up to you know, like say.
Oh, sir, you know you ask Max. Max there, me ask Max, me I say, me not believe that. Me don't say
look how me did that and scream and I say me want wind up in your pussy.
Yeah, baby, but you not that can still I'm listening. Don't
No,
listen
it not happen. It not happen. Turn over there with them. Go go. It not happen. It not about that happen. You have to go and blood clot DG about that day. It not happen. It not happening. It not happen. It not happen. It not happen. That not happen. It will never happen.
This boy, I do something I never yet do in my 36 years. Never yet.
2 times, guys.
Me know them do them things, me see them on the app, me pass them. Me pass them. But at this trick him don't know that person here. But him dumb to car, for him hear me say Lexi, Raji, him should have know. For him hear me say Little, him should have know. And him got deny the name. Him is going to deny the name and I don't care. And Little 6 me know you as sir. When Little 6 me know you as from Rona Creep. Where me can't remember the fucking hotel name again, man. It's right beside the Ultimate Post in New Kingston. Some son something.
Thank you.
You go and leave me alone, yeah? I need to be in peace.
So, Angel, use it 2 times, guys. I'll girl name your call for the screen recording. So she click live and know that time.
No, she not do live. I want girl who used to live with me. You know what? Me don't say something, but mother probably come trace me. I love him, leave it alone. Sky, let me tell you something. Me's a fear.
Mother man.
Sky, me's a fear person.
The girl name you're calling a recording tape, mother man.
Sky, you see me?
That you did I go say?
That me that go say. You see me, Sky? Me's a
mother, you never see
listen to me now, Sky. Listen to me. Me's a fear person.
2 times. Thank you.
I'm mother can't tell you that. As much as that girl and me a friend and me a mother a friend, me not stand for certain fuckery. You understand? And she live in my house and she go clear and me see her go take me as a man. And when me to tell me she don't hear saying she can't come to come. Me literally let mother in for them fight. Cause you deserve a beating. You're my friend, but you deserve a beating.
God.
Me make them fight and they mash up my house and me just refurnish out the next 2 days. I saw me stay. If you're wrong for me, you're wrong. You leave me alone, man. Cause if no want me go back down them, if no want me dig up back the past. Try one alone, man. Me not have nothing more to say about him. If he come back about me, me not have nothing to say about him. But once him come about me go and dig and him know me go and keep digging and him know me can't dig. Tell him to go remember it. So? Guys, leaving here, me get a good look at rest. Me done half for him long time. If him done, me done. Cause me not do the back and forth. If him done, me done. But him now go sit down and paint and me and tell no lie upon him cause me not trouble people, me not expose people, me not do them something that's from me. So if I come say something about you, I say if me not know nothing about you, me not say
Auntie Angel come talk, you know something have to go down.
Yeah, she can know Angel and you mixed up.
She a handicap, she a saint. Because people talk. So for she they make she talk, you know if I make you don't me talk something wrong.
Guy, a whole heap
I
of
would end up talk 6 TV.
Sky, a whole heap of other liquor, a whole heap of other rank TikTok or bigger than him. Come at me, I'll put my own life, coming on my back. I mean never go after them because I mean I know nothing about them. I mean I make up nothing upon them. So I laugh. Me laugh. But never you
remember about the bike.
Never you know say me know something about you. You're gonna come at me, you're wrong. You're dead wrong. I mean never trouble. But what but
The people, let me know what you think in the comment section. As me say, me now say the G do nothing, and me now say I lie the thing you tell upon him. You see me I say anything is possible. You know what I mean? I'm a people, I tell you something, man. Remember say you know, the G, you know, him never like have that look here, you know, way back in the days when he think he talk about, you know, seeing. Remember say a picture did a circulate with him, you know, back in the days, you know, he did look around ugly and tan bad, you know. You understand me? So as me say, me no put nothing past nobody. People change, you know what I mean? People don't change. You see me? Because he's a total different person right now from what he was. You know what I mean? So me want to tell me in the comment section what you think. Make you watch some more.
Here what me blame him for now. Here what me give my layaway. I don't think him know me this way.
Yeah, Tiki, Angel, look different, you know, she just show me one picture or she used to look the time then. Show a ticket. You never did.
Nah, screenshot it, boy.
What Angel say used to go down about it in the sky?
Angel just swim quick and moving. No one
can always show ticket pants.
We have library Angel up there rating.
Are they here?
Send me to one view, auntie. Send me to one view.
Never just carry from me up there, baby.
Oh, I forgot to have live replay.
Send me to one view, Angel.
Me don't even say now one view. Me not take me afraid of who I was.
I say come like in share my own use to look. I make show it quick. Me not
afraid of who I was. I am still who. I am still who I was.
He look good, you know. He look good both ways. She look good both ways. She look good both ways, Tiki.
So Sky,
this is the person you know, Tiki. That person I know.
That person is 6 TV, no, Angel that.
That you know.
Angel say my 6 TV used to fuck?
No, I'm afraid.
6 TV never fuck me.
Angel says, look, he could fuck him.
I'm not going to lie upon him. I know him alone take the fuck. Him fuck her back too.
Yeah, we say a friend needs to fuck 6 TV. 6 TV gay, that Angel say.
The two of them fuck them one another and a creep. And now forget it.
That's 6 TV used to fuck Wachani?
No, the person is trans Tiki. Tiki, me don't want to talk about him because I don't want to feel like I'm because I'm not trying to bring down anyone. I don't want to
later, Tiki, Nisi later.
Yeah, if him not come about me again, me done.
Yeah.
So me have nothing more to say about him. Who want believe, I don't care. Me have nothing to prove to us all.
You talk.
That's what you did the whole night last time. Me did like the whole night last night.
2 times. Me not even know.
Me did like the whole night last night. Me come about after 6.
Hello.
Yeah, me I true Italian drop asleep and like that's why me come up. And me say, "Chum, me
I actually getting up in so problem last night.
Why me I tell you? And I cooking and me I cut up, you know. And I mind my own business, you know. Oh God, man.
Hey, you me afraid that late night, you come like the entertainment at POR night. Me don't like the nightlife them. Like the entertainment in night.
No, TJ. As I said, TJ, I said what I said. I'm done. I'm gone about my business. It's unfortunate that the phone call upon screen recording that was out of my control. Me can't take that back. And me not take it back. And it don't but if him don't combo me again, me not have nothing more to say about him. So that is where it rests.
Yeah, one was guys, chat.
Me just want to know. No one cool trouble people. Me not run down clouds. Me not do the bagga. But if you fuck with me, me won't have issue.
2 times, guys.
Me not argue any woman. Yes, if it a one woman, you come up and do that.
Me not a baby girl later, yeah, mama. Sure, come in, I do this, come in, I argue with female.
Yeah. 2 times shot.
Me not argue with female, so you know really, them that not bother me.
Guys, 2 times, yeah.
That not bother me.
Yeah, 2 times.
Them too terrible, man.
2 times, my people.
No, me stay by myself. Everybody will know me, me stay by myself. By myself, me stay, me will sit down here and listen music, right? One chatted with my little foot girl over here. Me not look on them. Me not, and this is what them need to learn.
Shot 2 times, 2 guys, nice.
I'm never talk about the transmission them like that. I'm never talk about me.
No one
me give them the respect, Sky. Me give them money upon the app the respect. Me not send them requests. Me not go in at them line.
Yeah.
Because my lifestyle is not what they like. So I don't go their side of town. So me give that respect. So why they can't give me the same respect and don't come on my side of town?
I'm disrespect you, yeah.
You know what time them left from same time at town, them all send a request. Me no know how me pull up to my back. But when me go look at one rank, me love him alone because me no know him. Me no know about him. Him for go, man.
No one's full time. Can you try to push up his score, my people?
Girl said she want fucking at the spaceship. Bumbo clock!
No, upon a serious note, happy. When you can't start the dog again, the dog lift up one primo. See them, me see them.
I rent and I go like a few.
Yeah,
I just come in.
I can't connect your Bluetooth today. No boy, man. One time, the dog said, no try to start off and see how the whip the one no do.
People, go gone a road. The G gone a road, my people. Cha-cha. Dog gone a road, they can't chat to me now. Sell me a career and a bad boy there. Me wonder if I get no money off I dance or nothing. People, let me know what you think. Me could watch some more.
Yeah.
My big old 20, big old 40 a year, man, just I got primo dog. No really matter, primo ain't go. Talk.
No, man, but of the argument coming and nobody comes to your way.
No man, talk. I feel like I made I this start now.
No, babes.
Babes. Well on.
Prank.
Can't me notice that late night I wanna miss it on live in a late night, you know. Come, press the bell button. Press the bell button. You in a business? Oh. Tell me who? Ask Leon now, Leon. Leon, you're banks in a business?
How name so?
Bumbo class. What up, my dog? Shut up.
Why do I always feel like I can't use more than style? What is it, dog?
Chat, use it double.
Chat on the part up and repost that dog. Man, them come like Batty man dog.
Yeah, this is
double chat. So they love style, man. When they used to do that, they want style, man. They used to do that, they go like that. So I don't say they want to do that, you know.
I tell you, why even just go for the dance? No, him and me here, so
yeah, I tell you.
I don't need
it. Alright, I give you one epic, and you never pass this party, you know. Don't move with him, you know.
Yeah, me hear you talk that story, man.
Alright, me I tell you.
Me hear you say it's a side of your game, so you know say don't fuck up.
Yeah, bro, sorry, come on with me.
Yeah,
I don't know that most ones. Can't me tell you why they're friends for doing that, because I don't know give them no knowings like that, you know.
Yeah.
Dog not to give them no knowings. You see me? See, I know anything go there, dog, give them no knowings, then go like you more.
Oh, so that means you have to stop giving
them. God don't have one superstar style now, he come around, you know. The dog not doing that, only for reels being on anything there, you see me? The man, they just one side of dance, I have one umbrella, you see me? You fuck about that chat. You want to control little girl, I don't know why I do that, you know. Yo, you see that boy a manipulation, you know. Chat 2 runs, yo, why that's
one more run.
Yo, why that's something like that, dog? I told me they're not happy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like.
What do you mean?
Bang, you have to run down there.
Me no know about if you got road sitting there, bookie gone down.
Banks are come at town tonight.
Yeah, they are town in the night, my father.
Yeah, bro, me want to go to town and link up play and them and sit. But me there think about it because I said, I don't have to spend up more money and get no pussy. That me a run.
I want to go. I can't have no road to come in and do.
Oh, you mean, Leon, how you say? Yeah. Me and Leon go on the road, bro.
What making a brother want come? Yes, I said me can't plan not winning a brother.
No, I don't want to sit down and I don't want to give up.
Yeah, you want to go for a party.
No, man, me a forward for you, man.
No, like one
Hold on.
like test this one.
Happy, where them I go?
I say, me know where them I go. Me know him tell me which part them I go exactly. But me him say I go there go link them up and do road. Yo, man, say which part you now go?
They move.
Him and Leon and where Sagar road? Banks? Oh,
that's a special date thing. You happy and say prayer, this is a date.
No, one next girl I got Janika.
How name Janika, chat?
One brown girl, she dey pan up, she beg too.
A date, like a date thing. A date, like a date.
You know you can't third wheel my dog, man. I'm telling you know them they sitting them all time, man.
Make a girl cock up to you know.
She know what she do, you know.
What do you mean if you know my mother?
Yeah, she know what she do, man. She do that fist fight a while ago.
A thief then.
A thief then.
Don't say you're serious. If you're serious, don't.
I tell you, say Kingston me there crazy. Kingston me there. Thailand.
Max, big up.
Happy, where you say that? Where you say happy?
You can do road.
Yeah, me there.
Do road, do any of the dog when you can connect Leon there when you can go in there.
Yeah, move like doing have crutches.
Bad man. Me tell you what to do, Banks. Go in the road, simple. Yeah. Anywhere you go, if I have Tabu or Mecca anywhere, you buy bar, buy the liquor and tell the bartender Spanish fly. Cause you have this money away. You spend up this money and you have to get some pussy tonight.
Yo, Donna. He said begging hard.
Beg what pussy?
No, begging like beg when they on TikTok and see me. If he say begging hard.
What you mean if you hard?
I'm gonna take up your hard earning begging money, dog. But bruh, is so I don't get no crutches, you man.
What go on?
What I'm doing, Fred? Come in understand.
Which one of them?
The peel out head one.
Me don't know what I'm doing. Me don't see him from morning.
Allah, you tell him that you try to defend himself.
Who you?
Then catch him for video so good.
Who's this, sir?
Me don't know.
Where video there?
Me don't want to see it. But me feel like a lie.
Who's this, sir?
If them this say up front him and your man then catch him and him front per video, me would believe, but no.
Who said that?
I never run with farmer in over here.
Because me up on the internet this morning and I don't see nothing like that. Ziggy said.
People let me know your comments and who sister. Cause I don't know who sister. Brushy can't tell me. Brushy asked me if me see video.
Him video fetish for last night him asked about video, you know. Cause he said they send him one video and me hold on yet. But I tell her I be a batty man. Yeah, let me ask you something.
No, but